Aloha, everyone. Hoping finds you well wherever you are in the world, and would love to hear where you are from if you're watching this. So just comment below and share with us. Let us know where you are in the world. Isn't it so magnificent the way that our technology is these days and how we can all connect from all across the globe? So one of my favorite songs is It's a Small World After All, and Is It Not? So today, inspired to share with you the power of visioning in creating a trajectory in your life experience, and a tool that I've used over the years that really is so powerful in keeping us in alignment with our truth and our deepest heart's desires, as well as a tool to support us in helping to kind of clear what might be blocking us from our vision and from our inner guidance. My name is Eleanor Corey. I'm a Reiki Master Teacher of about 20 years, and I am also a Kundalini Yoga Kriya instructor and coach, a spiritual and life guide, and I incorporate celestial and elemental communication. I lead sacred journeys, and I'm just very passionate about sharing and empowering people with technologies and practices and ways of living that enrich one's life, particularly in these times. We are in such changing times, and it's really, I find, essential in these times for us to be in regular, consistent self-reflection, inward process, doing our work. And in my experience, that work is Reiki, meditation, yoga, time in nature, and of course, play and dance and enjoyment. Those are part of the practice, to really keep us in focus in our inner landscape, because it's from that inner landscape that we are creating our outer landscape, right? And really, as we do that, then we're really living according to what is true for us, rather than the dramas that are playing out in in the dramas of life in the world. So the two practices that I want to share with you, I also do an online journey, a visioning, a manifesting journey to support you. And I include these practices into them, but we go more in depth and we really support you in clarifying for yourself your intentions and your visions for yourself, and for your year, and to incorporate some other practices that really support to clear out and really kind of bring forth that highest potential for you. So part of that are these two practices. One is a visioning statement and writing out your vision. I know that we've got a lot out there about vision boards, and they're really, really powerful, and I definitely incorporate those as well. But writing out your vision and writing the word out, and I find that it's also particularly powerful. You can definitely type it out. It's powerful to also handwrite it. And then reading that statement on a regular basis, particularly the first 40 days after writing it, has such a resonance in creating and manifesting your reality. Because as we say, first was the word, and word is so powerful. And I will be doing a vlog, a video on mantra and the power of mantra. But for now, we'll just stick to this. So I highly encourage you to write out your vision statement. And as part of writing out your vision statement, to take the time to journal. And to journal without kind of like particular intention of writing out your vision, but first starting with just journaling and releasing anything that does not serve you, like all the thoughts in your head, all the kind of lists and all the worries, just writing them all out, and in a way just kind of purging out as you're writing and just releasing all the stuff. And then from that, what will come is what it is that is true for you, those inspirations, those guidance, those intentions. So sometimes what we do is we get stuck because we want to journal, but we really feel like, oh, we can't really, nothing's coming to your mind, or, it just doesn't make sense, and we just block ourselves. So this I find is a powerful practice to get that flowing. And another element to that is writing with your non-dominant hand. So that has a powerful effect in accessing your more intuitive, creative, spiritual essence, and also access your source connection. It can also be really powerful in your non-dominant hand to access those emotions to release that may be blocking you from accessing and connecting to your true heart's desires, to your visions. So I invite you to try both of those practices out. If you'd like a little more support in that, then check out the link below and check out my website for this visioning online journey. It is quite magnificent and a profound process. I hope that this was inspiring and supportive for you, and I'm wishing you infinite blessings your way.